Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract text from a image in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I have just updated my phone. Then I got One UI 6.1. With this One UI 6.1, I got new feature on my keyboard called extract text. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this feature to extract text from an image. So first thing first guys, I'm going to open my Samsung Galaxy Notes and then I'm going to go to my keyboard. We can click on the three dots on the keyboard and there will be some options for us and select extract text. So I'm going to use this feature to extract text from image. Wait, I'm going to prepare the image. Just tap on the extract text and you can place your camera to the image you want to extract the text from. And I'm just going to extract text from this image like this. And just hold on, and as you can see that the image has been extracted to text, but I think it's not that accurate, so I'm going to try it once again. Okay, oops, sorry guys. Okay, just like so. Click on extract text. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to extract text from image in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.